Hey guys, so this is a Renault Clio, and I've removed the battery and all the things in the way here for this no start. Well, it's cranking, but there's no start and there's no communication. The customer bought another ECU, and I swapped it out the first thing I did, and there was still no communication with my Auto diagnostics tool. So, and not only that, I had no communication with any other module on the whole car. So I knew something was really wrong here. So I started looking at the cables here. And I see this corroded power cable. As you can see, it's snapped off here. So what I'm going to do is open this up, cut this open, cut it up, and make a new connection and solder everything back together and see if this was our problem. There we go. Now I've made an extension here, soldered it on here, and put some grease and tape over. So I'm going to connect the battery and everything and start it up and see what happens. Alright, so immediately when I connected the battery here, I'm starting to hear noises from the electronics to the engine. So that's got to be a good sign. So now I'm going to turn the key, hopefully start this engine. Whoa. Alrighty. So that was the problem. That was just one little cable. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to disassemble the battery again and put all this stuff together the way it was. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your car. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Bye.